Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you some more advanced F2L tricks and algorithms, including this case where if you try to pair it up normally, the edge will be flipped, being solved like this. Also, if you guys want to see the other videos in this series, feel free to check out the playlist over here in the top right hand corner. So for this case, the edge is not oriented, which means that you cannot solve it just using R and U moves. So you could just rotate like this and then pair it up like so. But there is a really neat trick you can do, which is when you put the corner over the slot, you do R, U prime, R prime, and that will pair it up. And you can just solve it with U2 and then just solve this block like that. Doing it fast will look something like this. Next up, we have this case, which I did actually show in my video on how to solve wrongly inserted after a pass, which you can watch by clicking the card in the top right hand corner again. What you need to do in this case is swap this pair with this pair, and you could just take it out and then just insert it here and insert this back here. However, there is a pretty nice trick you can do, which is R prime F, then you put this pair over here like this, R2, U, and then you just solve the cross, and you insert this pair of R, U2, R prime, and doing it fast will look something like this. This is the next case, which is when you sort of have like a flipped pair with the white facing up, and this needs to go in the opposite diagonal slot. And you can actually just solve it by putting this corner over there, doing L2, do a wide U to pair these up, do another L2 to pair it up with the cross piece, white U prime, and then you can just solve the cross, and that should solve this pair into the back. But you guys can also do this in the mirror case, which is when you have the exact same case, but instead of the pair being on the right, it's on the left. Once again, you move this corner over its slot, you turn this layer twice, pair it up, connect it to the back, white U, and solve the cross. And despite the white move, this algorithm can actually be executed pretty quickly like so. Next up, we have this case, and many of you know that you can just rotate it and then you can solve it from here like this. But if you're doing it from this angle and you really don't want to rotate, then there is a really neat trick you can do for this. Do you know this case for OLL? If you don't, it's just F, reverse sexy, F prime. So what you can actually do is hold the corner over the slot where it needs to go and do this exact algorithm. F, reverse sexy, F prime, and that will actually pair it up and you can insert it like so. Also, I highly recommend you do this finger trick for the first F move, which is when you use your thumb and you push down like this, and it allows you to do the whole algorithm re-gripless. And doing it fast will look something like this. Let's take a look at these two cases now. Basically, what you need to do is to have this edge move to here, kind of like that, and same for this one, it's just that it's the opposite case. So as many of you know, you can use the R2, U2, R2, U2, R2, and that will solve it. And that's good enough from this side, but if you're facing it from the front, F2, U2 is really not fingertip friendly, and sometimes you just want to avoid that rotation. So if you only want to swap these two, or these two, here's a really neat trick. Take this corner and put it underneath where this edge was, like so, and then you can hide this, move this over here, bring this back up, and solve the cross. And you can do the exact same thing for this case. You put this corner over here, hide this, do an F2, bring this back up, and then solve the cross. And this can actually be executed pretty quickly like so. Next up, I'm going to be showing this case from the back. Basically, you have an edge flipped in its slot and you have the white sticker facing the left side. And you can actually just solve it like this. Move this corner over to here, and then you can just do this algorithm. Do the white F move like that, and that will pair it up and you can just insert it. Doing it fast will look something like this. Okay, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's tutorial. I really hope you guys learned something new from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.